Franck Kessie is an Ivorian professional footballer. He was born on December 19, 1996 in Ouragahio. Kessié began his career in Stella Club de joining their youth setup in 2010. In 2014, he was promoted to the first team. On 4 July 2022, Barcelona announced that they have reached an agreement with Kessie after his contract expires with AC Milan, and on 6 July. He signed on a 4-year deal until 30 June 2026, and his buyout clause will be set at 500 million. When Kessie was 11 years old, his father, who used to be a professional footballer in his youth before enlisting in the Ivorian army, died due to an illness. Therefore, one of his goal celebrations is a military salute performed in order to pay tribute to his late father. Kessie represented Ivory Coast at under-17 and under-20 levels, appearing in the 2013 FIFA Under-17 World Cup and 2015 Toulon tournament. At the age of 17, Kessie played his first international game with the senior national team on 6 September 2014, starting in a 2-1 home win against Sierra Leone for the 2015 Africa Cup of Nations qualification. On 4 January 2017, he was included in Michael Dussault's 23-man squad ahead of the 2017 Africa Cup of Nations, starting in all matches as his side was knocked out in the group stage. At the 2019 Africa Cup of Nations, he finished as the joint top assist provider of the tournament alongside Ismail Bennacer with 3 assists. His team were eliminated in the quarter-finals by eventual champions Algeria after losing 4-3 penalties following a 1-1 draw on 11 July. Kessie converted his nation's first penalty in the shootout. On 29 January 2015, Kessie signed a 3-year contract with Serie A club Atlanta. He was assigned to the club's Primavera squad upon his arrival and contributed with 7 appearances for the side. His first match in Europe occurred on 1st March as he started in a 2-0 away win against AC Milan Primavera. On 26 August 2015, Kessie joined Cesena in the Serie B on a 1-year loan deal. He made his professional debut on 26 September, coming on as a substitute for Antonio Ragusa in a 0-0 away draw against Perugia. Kessie scored his first professional goal on 31st October 2015, netting the last in a 2-0 home win against Versus Lanciano. On 2 June 2017, Kessie joined fellow Serie A side AC Milan on a 2-year loan deal with the obligation to buy. Originally, he chose 19 as his shirt number, but soon was persuaded by the club's management to leave it for Leonardo Bonucci, who transferred to Milan a few weeks later. As a result, Kessie changed it to 79. Following Bonucci's departure in the next summer transfer window, he was offered his original shirt number back yet refused, citing that he does not want to force Milan fans to spend any extra money on his personalized shirts due to yet another number change. He made his debut for Milan and helped the club to win the first leg of Europa League qualification match against CSU Craiova on 27 July. On 20 August 2017, in Milan's opening Serie A match of the season, he scored a penalty in a 3-0 victory over Crotone. In a match against Cagliari on 21st January 2018, Kessie scored 2 goals on being from the penalty spot to give Milan the win. On 31st August 2018, he scored the opening goal against Roma in an eventual 2-1 win. On 16 January 2019, Kessie was sent off in 2018 Supercoppa Italiana final against Juventus, which the latter won 1-0. On 13 April, he scored the only goal in a 1-0 win against Lazio. On 26 May, he scored a brace against SPAL in eventual 3-2 win. On 27 September, Kessie scored his first goal of the season against Crotone, a penalty kick in 2-0 win. On 1st November, he scored the opening goal in a 2-1 win against Udinese at Stadio Friuli. On 29 November, against Fiorentina, he scored a penalty and missed another as his team managed to win 2-0. On 22 May 2022, Kessie scored the third goal in 3-0 rout against Sassuolo, sealing the Scudetto title for the club. After the goal, Kessié went to Milan fans at the Mapei Stadium and did his trademark salute. It was Kessie's last match and goal with Milan, as he announced his departure few days later and thanked the fans.